We are pleased to show you the 2017
Lincoln MKT.
The Lincoln MKT is engineered for extraordinary moments. The MKT offers best-in-class horsepower and a V8 power with V6 fuel economy. Pair that with MKT's standard 6 airbags and advanced track with class-exclusive roll stability control, and you've got the total package. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, power brakes, fog lights, compass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
With Lincoln certified pre-owned vehicles, you can rest assured that you're getting a vehicle you can count on. All Lincoln certified vehicles go through a thorough inspection by factory trained technicians and come with a comprehensive warranty. And just to ease your mind, they also provide 24/7 roadside assistance. Check out your local Lincoln dealer today to find out all the other benefits buying a Lincoln certified vehicle can offer you.